Hey guys, welcome back to Melinda's Messy Sink. Today's video is the last Saturday of the Make It Yourself May collaboration hosted by Ann at What's Up Family Home. I am making a summer side dish that we recently fell in love with. We were at a restaurant and they had this and we tried it and it was so good. I'm recreating it at home. What I'm starting with is just a package of green cabbage coleslaw mix. Just starting with that, and then to that, I am going to add some red apples that have been diced into bite-sized pieces. We're gonna set this to the side. In a small bowl, I'm gonna add some sour cream. This is called Apple Coleslaw. And it's so easy to put together. I couldn't believe it whenever I saw the recipe. Then to the sour cream, we're gonna add some lemon juice, some salt and sugar, and we're gonna add some pepper. And then we're gonna combine all of these ingredients. So I hope you guys have lots of fun this holiday weekend. Here in Indiana, where I live, usually Memorial Day weekend is what kicks off summertime celebrations. So we always like to spend time with family, friends, and then Indianapolis is also known for the big Indianapolis 500 race that happens every Memorial Day weekend. All right, we've got that mixed up. Now, the recipe says that we're gonna add this mixture into our coleslaw and our apples. All right, now what we're gonna do is we're going to combine all of this together and get that sour cream mixture spread throughout. So while I'm mixing this up, I just want to remind you that Ann from What's Up Family Home is the one who is hosting this collab, and she has had this collab going the entire month of May. I will have Ann's channel as well as the playlist of all of the YouTube creators who have made videos for you that go along with the Make It Yourself in May. All right, we've got this transferred into a smaller bowl. We're gonna get this into the refrigerator. This is a weird combination to me, but somehow it works. I don't know how, I don't know why, but cabbage and apples taste good together. If you would have told me that prior to going to this little restaurant, I would have thought you were crazy. And here is our apple coleslaw all plated up. I want to thank Ann for hosting this month-long Make It Yourself May collaboration. It has been so fun and I have learned so many great, easy dishes to make at home. I want to wish all of you a happy and safe Memorial Day weekend. And most importantly, don't forget, Jesus loves you. Thanks guys. See you in the next one.